Cade today. Cleaned up the pig pen, both of them. The one that they're not using and the one that they're currently in. Let me show you. All of this was a disaster. See how well they cleaned out this area already? They're just cleaning it up. I've got this left. I've got all these vines and things to tear down, but not today. Today we worked on this area behind their hut and all up in here in front. I'm just getting rid of some of the larger logs and sticks and things like that. Let me show you the hall. It's the pigs playing around. This is all the stuff we emptied out, plus that wheelbarrow, plus all the other stuff that we pulled out of this extra run. It was a lot of work, wasn't it, Cade? Yeah. So it looks nice and cleaned up in here now. Just have a little bit more to go. But yeah, like all this stuff I'm trying to pull out and burn.